Have you ever felt like being an introvert puts you at a disadvantage in dating? What if I told you that your quiet nature is actually your secret weapon? Women are naturally drawn to men who possess depth, mystery, and emotional intelligence, all traits that introverts excel in. In this guide, we'll explore how to attract women as an introvert using psychology-backed strategies that actually work. 1. The power of mystery and why women love it. Women are naturally curious creatures. Loud, overly talkative men often reveal too much too soon, whereas introverts keep an air of mystery that makes women eager to know more. When you don't spill everything about yourself immediately, it creates intrigue, making women want to spend more time with you to uncover your personality. Don't rush to reveal everything about yourself on the first date. Instead, keep conversations balanced, allowing her to ask questions and discover you at her own pace. 2. Deep conversations over small talk. Most women dislike surface-level conversations. They crave meaningful discussions that connect them emotionally to a man. Introverts excel at deep conversations, making them naturally more attractive than men who rely on scripted pickup lines. When talking to a woman, ask open-ended questions that lead to deeper conversations. Instead of asking, "How was your day?" try, "What was the most exciting part of your week?" This invites engaging storytelling. 3. Confidence isn't loud, it's composed energy. Many introverts mistake confidence for being loud or extroverted, but true confidence is about being comfortable in your own skin. Women are drawn to men who exude a quiet, unshakable sense of self-assurance. Instead of forcing yourself to be someone you're not, embrace your natural, calm energy. A man who owns his introversion confidently stands out in a world full of try-hard extroverts. 4. Master the art of body language. Your words may be limited, but your body language speaks volumes. Women are highly attuned to nonverbal cues, and strong body language can instantly boost your attractiveness. Maintain good posture, make steady eye contact, and use subtle smiles to show confidence and warmth. Avoid fidgeting or crossing your arms, as these can signal nervousness. 5. Listening, the most underrated attraction tool. Women love to feel heard. Unlike extroverts who often dominate conversations, introverts have the natural ability to listen actively, a rare trait that makes women feel valued and deeply connected. When she talks, truly listen instead of thinking about what you'll say next. Nod, make eye contact, and ask thoughtful follow-up questions to show you're engaged. 6. Slow and steady wins the race. Introverts don't need to rush to impress. Women appreciate men who take their time in building attractions. Your thoughtful and measured approach can make interactions feel more genuine and emotionally rich. Instead of trying to win her over instantly, focus on building small, meaningful connections over time. Let attraction grow naturally. So if you're an introvert, embrace your natural strengths. You don't need to be the loudest guy in the room to attract the right woman. By using these psychological strategies, you can create deep, lasting connections effortlessly. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more psychology-based dating advice. And drop a comment below. What's your biggest dating challenge as an introvert? Let's discuss.